Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drum bearing in a Hotpoint dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdrivers and a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drum bearing. There are a total of 4 drum bearings mounted on the top of the drum support frame. A pair of green ones and a pair of white ones. This is the white one, as you can see. It's located closer to the bottom of the drum support. If you start to hear noise when the drum is rotating, check the drum bearings and replace them both at the same time. To get it apart, we need to open the door. Our next step would be to remove 2 Phillips screws, 1 in each corner. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm gonna take them out. So then we can remove the top panel. Let's close the door for now. Now we're at the back of the dryer, and I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out 3 screws at the top that holds the control panel. All right, now I'm going to tilt this control panel slightly forward. I'm going to slide it to my left just a bit, and I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to put it down here, out of the way. Next, after we remove the control panel and put it aside, out of the way, you're going to lift up on the top and slide it out. After we remove the top, we need to take out 2 1/4-inch screws, 1 in each upper corner, so we can remove the front panel. I'm using a nut driver and the second one in the opposite corner. Now I'm going to lift up on the drum and I can remove the front panel. Alright, as you can see, we got here 4 bearings, 2 pairs. The green one on the top and the white one down below. We're going to replace this bearing, this side, and just would like to remind you that if one is worn out, that means the opposite side is also worn out, and we need to replace both of them at the same time. I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to take it off the little plastic hook, and I'm going to turn it and free it from this side. This is the old drum bearing next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, now I'm going to install this very nice looking bearing. This side goes in first. I'm going to put it in and turn it so the hook will lock into the pocket inside. Make sure it's hooked. Then I'm going to bend this. And I'm going to place it into the cutout here. Press it down and it locks on that pin. And now I'm going to install the front panel. I'm going to lift up on the drum. I'm going to slide it in. There are 2 tabs, 1 on each side of the side panels, that interlocks into the slots on the front panel. So we're going to bring it in, lift up on the drum, slide the panel in, and the tabs locks on both sides. And now we can secure the front panel with the 1/4-inch screws using a nut driver. And now we're going to install the top. We need to put this first in, the rear end. And we need to match these tabs on both sides with the slots inside the top. and push it down. Now we need to open the door so we can install the screws. We're now going to secure the top with a couple of screws and insert it in. And we need to kind of catch in the upper hole there. Okay, and now I can use the Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to tighten it. And now we can close the door. Alright, next I'm going to install the control panel. We're going to put these 3 tabs at the bottom into the 3 slots. And then we're going to move it to the right from my position. Now I'm going to secure this control panel with 3 screws. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.